This is a 2023 Acura TLX. We did an amp job. I had a couple of comments on my YouTube channel. A few people said there is a module behind the push buttons. I'm going to show you. This thing just pops out. Very simple. There's no module behind. As you can see, there's no module. Okay. On back of this push button, there are two plugs. One obviously going to the push button right here. The other one is mounted right next to it. I'll flip it over. Okay, that thing just pops out. As you can see, there is a one plug on the right, on the back of the push button. Then you'll see a blue little thing. It's not a module, but there's a little plug there. I don't know what that is. So I'm gonna leave that unplugged. Well, before I do it, I'll show you. So I'm gonna give a gas. Here they go. Boom. That is ANC. So ANC is still active. I'm gonna leave this one alone, which is push button start. You cannot disconnect that, obviously. Only plug on back of it is this blue plug right here. So I'm gonna leave that thing unplugged, see what happens. So I got this blue plug disconnected from back of it. I'm gonna give a gas. Still does. So, three people say, oh yeah, just disconnect the plug behind the push button, which there is none other than this one. Doesn't do. This is to prove what they're telling me is incorrect. So here's what you're gonna do. All right, first thing you're gonna do, there are two microphones. It's just like a 21, it's the same thing. Open the sunroof. You can access drivers. This is driver side, obviously. This is the passenger side. If you look on this corner, there is a white plug. It's kind of hard to see, but there is a plug right there at my fingertip. There is a little tab, very top. You push it and pull away, just like that. See this plug? That's very simple to do. It's a 2-second job to disconnect the front one. However, the back one is a little bit more involved. So we're gonna leave this one inside. So I'm gonna show you the back one. Okay, this is the rear one. First thing you're gonna do is remove that dome light cover. And there should be 2 screws holding onto that dome light. Remove that. Once you remove that dome light, that entire dome light assembly comes off. Now the second part is a little tricky. If you pull down the entire headliner down, gently do that because you don't want to make any marks on it. So you pull that down, as you can see, it comes down. And if you look inside, see that black module right next to that dome light housing entrance? Right on that black module, right at his fingertip, which is right behind the dome light opening, there is a plug, white plug on the right-hand side, where this side, the driver's side. And you simply unplug it. The other video I have, I actually cut the wire. You don't have to do that. This one you just pull down and simply disconnect. And he's trying to unplug it, and that's unplug. That white thing on the middle, that is the plug we just unplugged. That is connected to the right. So all you got to do is pull down that entire headliner gently, reach to the back of that black box, and there's a little push clip. Push it down and unplug. That comes out. As you can see, we did not use any wire cutters or tape. You just simply unplug that and unplug this one. It's not that difficult. A lot of people said there is a module behind this, which there isn't, and you just simply unplug. Incorrect information. No module behind here as I showed it to you. You just simply reach up here, push down the headliner, unplug, remove the dome light, held down with the 2 screws, push down the headliner, unplug the harness, the wire white plug, which is a 2-pin plug. You just simply unplug. That's it. That's all you got to do.